Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 2, the ninth lesson, tracing formula errors. Start by selecting the most important cell in the entire workbook, the one that calculates the profit of total revenues less total expenses. So that's D23. With the Rocky Mountain Tour Tracing Error Workbook open, see that up here, that's what it is. Select cell D23, and then on the Formulas tab, so click on the Formulas tab, in the Formula Auditing group, click Trace Precedents, right here. Notice the thin line and the dots drawn from D9 to D23 indicate that these cells are referenced in the formula. These appear to be correct. So with D23 still selected, click Trace Precedents again. As the Trace Precedents tool drills down through the next layer of detail, Excel draws boxes around D9 and D21. The boxes indicate these cell ranges are referenced in the formulas in the two cells. These also appear to be correct. Click Trace Precedents one more time. Another set of line and dots are drawn as the Trace Precedents tool drills down another layer of detail. These indicate the cells referenced in the formulas entered into the cell range D6 to D8. Looking at the last set of lines and dots drawn, you should see that they do not appear to be correct. The fair value in B6 is used to calculate the totals in cells D6 to D8, but the fares in B8 and B7 and B8, these two fares are not included. So select cell D7. By selecting D7, you can see the formula is incorrect. Change the formula in D7 to equals B7 times C7. So I'm going to go up here and change that 6 to a 7. Select D8. And we're going to change that to B8 times C8. So change this 6 to an 8. Select cell D23, trace precedents again. The lines and dots now appear in the correct cells. It also now appears this tool will include a loss instead of a profit. On the Formulas tab in the Formula Auditing group, click Remove Arrows. Mark that as complete. Go to the next one. Instead of finding the precedent cells, you can find cells containing formulas that depend on the value of the selected cell, either directly or indirectly. This is a reverse method tracing dependent cells. So select cell B6. And on the Formulas tab in the Formula Auditing group, click B6. The Formula Auditing group, Trace Dependence. Click Trace Dependence 2 more times. The worksheet now appears similar to the following, which is this. Verify that cell D6 contains the correct formula B6 times C6, which mine does. Mine looks like that. Mark is answered. Submit. 2 green checks, so this completes tracing formula errors.